The museum is an interesting location and the illusions rooms were very interesting as well. Staff are very friendly and helps you to take pictures and guides you throughout as well. Highly recommended. In Old Souk Museum of Illusion, good for children's and an option of activity in Dubai, not so highly recommended. The place really is a nest for brain-bending activities. Don't let this unassuming hole-in-the-wall in Old Dubai fool you. The Museum of Illusions is a total blast. The staff were absolute legends, super friendly and always ready with a helpful tip. I still can't digest how some of the illusions worked, but my absolute favorite was the vortex tunnel, cyclone emoji. It felt so real, like the ground was actually spinning out from under you. Definitely worth checking out if you're looking for a unique experience in Dubai. Good one and also must one-time experience. Different from other museums. Recently explored the Museum of Illusions in Dubai. Mind blown emoji, an absolute delight. The staff went above and beyond to capture unique photos on my behalf. A must-visit for adventure enthusiasts. The illusions are mind-bending. Highly recommend, especially for those looking to spice up their social media with extraordinary shots. Camera emoji, fire emoji, hashtag Dubai Adventures, hashtag Illusion Magic. So good, even the workers helped me and took my picture. Smiling face with hearts emoji, 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 smiling face with hearts emoji. This museum is actually an eye trick museum and there is nothing special compared to other eye trick museums I have been to. The name is catchy and I didn't know it is actually eye trick museum, hence I booked for it, but really regret. This place you can skip if not much time in Dubai. Not much is spoken about this on other sites. I personally love the small museum. There are quite a lot of amazing illusions. The staff are quite nice and they help with the pictures and poses. The area is lovely, bullied like olden days Dubai. Most underrated experience in Dubai. You get good photo opportunities here. Located nearby Starbucks in Old Dubai. The staff in there help to take pictures if needed. Many optical illusions are available which anyone can appreciate. It was fun and amusing. Unlimited time but limited attractions. Staff were very helpful. They teach you how to take the photos to get the illusion. A very cool and interesting experience, perfect for kids and families alike. Can be explored in around an hour to an hour and a half, so it's great for an afternoon trip. One of the best places to go if you are ready to have an amazing and exciting evening. Great displays with mind-boggling styles. And Klook has always made the whole experience seamless and memorable. To have a different perspective to different objects, visit Muse of Illusions in Dubai Al Seif. Book your tickets with Klook and have the best experience. They also provide free Wi-Fi inside the museum. Really amazing, enjoyed a lot. Staff were helpful to do the activities present inside the museum. Super illusions. Good experience, must have visited one in Dubai. Employee are very nice, thumbs up emoji. Educational and good for kids. It was very entertaining and my children really enjoyed the puzzle. Really suitable for kids, thumbs up emoji, thumbs up emoji. Nice experience. Amazing and magical place. You need to use your brain cells how to use the things and take photos, embarrassed smiley face emoji. Worth experiencing. Visit with your friends or family. You can't enjoy alone. Spend 2 to 3 hours max. Great experience. Though it is a small one, the illusions are pretty good. Decent one-time visit. Awesome, it was great experience and very nice. We had great fun going to the Museum of Illusions. Great for kids. Staff were very accommodating. They teach you how to take the photo to show the illusion. Great experience, must visit place, excellent place to enjoy with family.